subscribing this far, so I'm excited. And here's stuff.
Yeah.
And here's Hello. And now we're picking up Maui. Alright! Look who's here. Everyone's here. Breakfast or brunch.
Fire with fire, and hope it all smooths over. I recognize it might not be the best way forward.
Finally in Harrison Hot Springs. We got 2 rooms. This is the guy's room. He's filming me as I'm doing this. We have a whole deck to ourselves. We have these people here, stuffed in here. I don't know where everyone is. They're all in their rooms. They're picking their rooms. There's one room, and they're all in here apparently.
Don't disturb.
Don't disturb.
For hours, but we'll never leave, even though the situation's not.
Good game, guys. Good game. Good game.
Yes.
Good game. We just played volleyball here, and I think our team won, courtesy of Jemima, James, Vina, Nika, and Carlo. Someone's smiling. Woo! How do you feel about volleyball?
It's good.
Who won?
I
love water.
need to talk to my lawyer. I think you guys won.
You did good.
Thank you.
I fell a couple of times.
You dove for the ball a couple of times?
Huh?
You dove for the ball a couple of times?
Yeah, I did. But I only got it twice.
Okay.
It's cooking time, dinner time. What are you making, stuff?
I have no idea what this is.
We have some seasoning. Chinese or something seasoning. And then of course, Venus famous
Guys, we're very short on food.
things. Her peanut sauce I love so much. And the wraps, the salad wraps, right?
Yes, salad wrap.
I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me that you were here. And I swear we moved overseas.
We're playing taboo.
Oh yeah.
How does that work?
And the girls are winning.
No.
Only 2
No,
plus
listen.
girls. So
We're gonna win. No.
We're winning.
Stop.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
House has a...
Wait, what?
Looks good. Looks good.
Nice. Interior. Decoration. Exterior. Elegant. Extravagant.
Car has a nice...
Aesthetic.
Shape.
Curve. Form. Box. Oh.
It's like it's a school and then you live there.
Boarding house. Boarding cabin. Right.
Boarding school. You live there. Yes.
One more. Come on.
It's when you're full and you're like,
One go up.
yes.
Bar.
It's like where I work. That place.
Office. Investment.
Where's that area?
Where's that?
Yes.
Oh yes.
This is where they make like they call it this is continents.
Oh.
Like I'm trying to
Crawl.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
This is where like, there are a lot of this A lot of poisonous animals live there.
Australia.
No, but they not so nice. So like they never like.
We have chicken wings, spice stuff,
Part meat over there.
and we have the wrap inside. The wrap inside? Inside the wrap. Pork.
We got pork,
We have
guys.
pork inside the wrap
Yeah.
by Vina and Nika.
These are very easy.
Good job.
Beyond.
Oh, romance.
I want a car and a house.
How do you feel about your first salad wrap?
You look good.
Good, I like it.
Whoa.
Wait, can you see what you made?
See, it's so nice. Well, I've been through it.
Cross section, right? And then what happened to you?
Took a shower,
Uh-huh.
and I came late, and everyone was hogging the
Wow.
So I have to wait my turn. There's nothing gonna be left for me.
There's no such thing as turns in our group.
First come, first serve.
We're currently playing Jackbox Party. Everyone's busy guessing.
Are you done, Jasmine?
Yeah.
Oh, I need a stylus.
I know, it's a hard job.
This one.
I think it's that one.
Time to sleep, Carlo. Good night, my friend.
Good night, Jasmine.
Good night, there, Ron.
Get on my face. I'm just kidding. Good night.